Good morning. It's day 8, I think. I might have my days mixed up, but it's day 8. Yeah. Oh, 5, 6, 7. I think day 8. Anyway, it's the 11th. Hang on. I think it's day 8. Something like that. But anyway, we are not doing absolutely nothing today. We went to go see the Mayan ruins yesterday. We ain't doing that today. We about to walk down this road from this villa and go get some soda because ain't nothing but water in this house. But water, and I'm tired of water, okay? I've been drinking 10 to 12 bottles of water a day because of the heat, and I'm really over it at this point. Okay, I need some juice. I try to find some juice. 12% is not it. I'm not bougie, but I drink 100% juice. I don't do no 90. I don't do no 15%, no 12. Definitely not no 50. If it's not 100% juice, I can't drink it. I can't drink it. I start to lock up like a 57 Chevy. I can't do that. No. So, because they don't have 100% juice here unless it's freshly squeezed, I'm gonna go get me some soda. I usually don't drink soda, but I'm definitely tired of water. So we gonna wash it, get dressed, and climb this hill to the Blinken market. To the market. So yeah, if we do something today, y'all know I'm gonna record. I record about everything. Please don't judge me about when I record in the hospital, because yeah. Anyhow, I will see y'all later. I don't know what we doing. We don't have no plans. I'm definitely gonna paint my toes. But other than that, we not doing shit. Y'all be great on purpose. This is so fly. So we're walking down the road and we just see a banana. Just bananas just hanging. Oh my goodness. And then over here, if you can see, I'm gonna zoom in a little bit. It's mad coconuts. Huh? Mad coconuts on the tree. Oh yeah. When you see those little hanging flowers, that means it's bananas. When it's the big hanging flower like this, mad bananas. Oh, let me back up. Okay, because he mad angry. Good morning. Good morning.
He's like, don't you touch my bananas.
Good morning. It's day 9. I don't have my camera stand, but I don't know what we're doing today. All I know is we're going to get the car fixed. I ran out of deodorant. It's too hot for it to be stinking, so we're definitely going to get some deodorant today. Probably hit a hair store. Probably not in that order, but yeah, we're going out today. I definitely need to go out today. Deodorant is a must. Okay. Um, I had a big bottle, nice size bottle, but it's so hot here that you have to reapply at least 3, 4 times a day, so you can stay smell like roses. Yeah. So yeah, that's the plan today. Deodorant, um, some food, store, market, get the car fixed, pick up the car. Yeah. Until then, y'all be great on purpose, and I will let y'all know what we're doing for the rest of the day if we ever do something. Oh my God, I'm so in love. This is the vibe, okay? We need Caribbean sunrise and the Okay, so we left the house at 4:15. It's currently 5:57. We went to New Flags, which is like a market. I picked up um shampoo and conditioner. This cat is about to blow me. I don't know what he is whining about, but he is about to blow me. But anywho, Yeah, back up. This is my outfit, long dress. I got on my Jesus Walk sandals. And yeah, this is the fit for today because we're with the preacher, the pastor. I was going to wear some shorts and a tank because it's hot, but couldn't do that because the pastor here today. Yeah, this the fit. Back your ass up. But anyway, get into it.
You know what? I try not to.
Where?
I try not to, listen to all that drama.
Okay, I'm currently on the bus because I don't want to be in the house. And plus, we got to take our shoes off. And I'm not that kind of girl to be walking around strangers' house with naked feet. I'm going to need some socks. And clearly, I wore my Jesus Walk shoes today. So I'm not doing that. Anyway, I'm trying to see who's around. Okay, so we go to her girlfriend, Miss Margret's house today to eat. No, she's a white woman. I'm not racist because I have a white friend. I have several white friends. But I'm not too keen on eating at white women houses. I don't know about the seasoning flavors and all of that. I'm not even too happy about eating at Miss Adina house because the food been fucking nasty. So, with that being said, she came outside. I don't know if y'all can see her in the camera right here, but a bitch gotta be a little quiet. Anywho, she cook us soup in this hot ass fucking weather. Soup. Then the soup had pork in it. I'm not too big on pork. I don't eat pork like that. The only thing I eat pork is pepperoni and gummy bears. I don't eat pork like that. The soup was She talking about, you want more? No, I had curry chicken before I came. I don't want that bullshit, okay? Please send me back home or send me to market or something. I don't want to be here. And then her granddaughter, can you come play? Can you come play? I don't got time for that. I don't got time for that. My son is damn near 17. I don't got time for that 3-year-old shit. I need internet. I need a swimming pool. I need... Not this bullshit. So fucking hot out here. My water done melted. Anyhow, yeah. I'm gonna go back in here and play nice, but a bitch will be starving for the rest of the night. Cause ew. Girl, bye. It's not it. And then, before I go, so she cooked bread. Bread was hard as a brick, okay? Boop, bread hard as a brick. And then on top of that, the pastor damn near touched all the breads before he found the one that he wanted. Then she gonna say, you want some bread? Hell no, bitch, I don't want no bread. He didn't touch all the fucking breads. And he didn't wash his hands. Girl, I don't want no goddamn bread. She was like, try it. I broke the bread open and set it on my plate. Cause who doing that? Not me. I don't know where that nigga hands been. Disgusted. Anywho's. Until next time. The house is nice though, but the food is not. Amen.
What are you looking for?
A fuse I had here, but like, that's the one. Somebody take my fuse.
Lord,
How the fuse is gone and it was working before?
Have mercy.
But I had one, I need one there.
fuse and it was working before.
I don't know, but we're gonna find this fuse.
Oh, that's the lemongrass.
Aren't those fuses? The red and yellow things?
I guess they look like fuses to me.
You picked up that box. What's the switch on now?
So by the next time we come and bring us a new car.
Yeah.
What happened to Harold? I thought he's supposed to be coming through today.
And yesterday.
And the day before, and the day before that.
Mm-hmm.
Do I need to wear a cute outfit for Harold?
Girl, you ain't got to remember her. Look like
What kind of fuse is he looking for?
see how that yellow thing is? It's something like that, but it's in a little square by itself.
A little square what?
It's in a little square. It's like a little square by itself. Let me ask if it's these.
Because there's a whole bunch of different colors. There's green, red, blue.
No.
Sleeping there. Boy, if you don't tell me. Put that one back before I lose them all. What do I have on stuff tomorrow? Okay, it's in a little square.
And there's a different color. There's different
Different
colors.
yeah, it's in a little thing by itself.
How we got here and it was working? With a fuse blue?
Yeah, it's okay. I thought it was I just had that one.
All these ones are individuals.
Yeah, if I see it, I know. I kind of know what it is, but
These ones are just floating in here.
see, that's what happens too when you do your own thing.